Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mason over here at MarineMax Houston. I'm over here on a brand new 2026 Grady-White 251 Coastal Explorer. Let me tell you about it. We're going to start over here at the stern. We're going to work our way to the bow. Underneath this seat, you're going to have storage right here with access to your wiring. Then we're going to move over. You're going to have your release well right here. And move over one more time, and you're going to have more storage. And underneath here is going to be your access to your batteries. You're going to have access to your fresh water right here. And then you're going to move over here, and this is going to be your engine flush. Alrighty, now that we're back at the helm, you're going to have an adjustable steering wheel right here. You're going to have your Yamaha control center and your Fusion stereo system. Then if you want to come over here, you're going to have a spot to put your reels. And back over here, you're going to have one of your live wells. And another spot to put your reels. Right behind your seating, you're going to have a tackle box area right here to put everything you need. Moving into the head, you're going to have a porta potty toilet in here with a 12-volt battery charger, as well as a light. Moving forward towards the bow, you're going to have your access to fresh water. You're going to have JL audio, and you're going to have another well. Right here, you're going to have raising and lowering electric seats. Moving forward, you're going to have storage underneath your seats. This one too. As well as more storage for any tackle or any fishing knives you might have. Here at the bow, you're going to have your retractable step-on ladder. That way you can pull right up to the shore and get off at the bow. All right guys, back at the helm, you're going to have a charging port, USB and Type-C. Right here is going to be your battery on and off switch. My name is Mason. If this 251 Coastal Explorer piques your interest, give me a call at 832-389-2550. And even better, if you want, come over to MarineMax Houston, ask for Mason, and come check it out.